I am Hamidullah Wazir and welcome to my channel, The Global Times.
It is a dull day for media landscape as Abbas Nasir, veteran journalist and former editor of Dawn, pens his final column for Nation's oldest and most respected English daily. After 15 years of providing steady voice of reason and rigorous analysis, Nasir is stepping away. In this farewell piece, he does not mince words. He explicitly lays out reasons for his departure and precarious state of the institution he has served for so long. Here is the situation, in his own words.
My final column 15 years ago, Dawn's op-ed editor asked me to write for this paper. A reporter and editor I was, but never saw myself as a columnist, but backed by the editor. The op-ed editor persuaded me. Over the past decade and a half, my editors have given me complete freedom to write on topics of my own choosing and never once quibbled with content. Where there has been pressure, they have taken it and let me get on with it. I have so enjoyed the freedom that I have never once missed a week of writing, for which I am grateful to them. Profound gratitude to my readers who have not only read my submissions, but have also given me invaluable feedback over the years. Finally, I owe a huge debt of gratitude to my wife Carmen and our daughters Alia and Eleanor for their support and patience in letting me eat away into their weekend plans. While I devoted the first half of Saturdays to writing, particularly after my good friend Cyril Almeida's exit to slot I moved into from my placement. Delia, even on holiday in remote locations such as the Pyrenees, Carmen made sure her laptop was connected to the phone and I was able to send what I'd written. Like most good things, at least for me, my column too is coming to an end. As any keen reader would be able to tell, there are very few ads in the paper. Those at the helm have not only banned government ads in the paper, but also coerced corporate private advertisers into staying away from it. Dawn has been made to pay a price for exercising its editorial independence. I live abroad. With the financial crunch, the cost of foreign exchange payments is a cost the paper can't bear anymore. It breaks my heart to see Dawn facing an existential crisis. Columnists come and go. Dawn must continue to herald every morning.